Another jam-packed episode filled with everything Filipino. From local businesses to celebrity news, Philippine current events, and the latest must-watch movie. Ang mainit na usapin na pinag-uusapan ngayon sa Pilipinas. Ang 200 pesos daily wage increase para sa private sector workers. The House Committee on Labor and Employment has approved this proposal, hoping to help employees deal with the rising cost of living sa bansa. Let's talk about movies. The latest Metro Manila Film Festival 2024 entry and the breadwinner is starring Vice Ganda is a heartwarming family drama that everyone is talking about. Let's talk about Andrea Brillantes. She is a talented actress and social media influencer in the Philippines. If you're craving authentic Filipino flavors in Las Vegas, then you have to check out Pinoy Feats. It's a local business that brings the rich and comforting taste of Filipino barbecue and street food to our kababayans here. Maraming salamat sa iyong pagsama sa amin at tandaan, wherever you are in the world, dala natin ang pusong Pinoy. Kita-kits sa susunod na episode.